Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download Life360 app on your phone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, to go and make the download. So basically now we're on my iPhone here where you can go and download the application. But first let's see what we have. So here we have the today where we have all the apps that we can go and check out today. We have the games here where you can go and find all of the games, apps where you can find basically all the apps on the App Store. Here we have the arcade, and guys, at the end we have the search bar, as you can see. Well, now when we are in the search bar, we can go and type the name of the application. So type on search bar, type Life360 with numbers, click search, and there it is, guys. The first thing that pops out is the Life360 application. What you want to do is go in here, and now you can see what's actually new. So you can see the rating, you can see the age, the chart, the developer language, and size of the application. Also, you can see what's new on the application, the updates. You can go down here to check out some of the reviews. So you can see the ratings, the reviews, to check out if you actually like the application. Here you can see the app privacy, and again, the information about the application. Now, when you want to download it, you just need to click on this button here, and the application will start downloading. Now, while you're waiting for the downloads, you can also again go and read some of the reviews to check out if it's really good or bad for what you would like to, of course, use the Life360 application. When the download ends, guys, you can, of course, go and start using the application. That'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And as always, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video.